Welcome to our Chakra Affirmations journey, where we explore the transformative power of aligning our thoughts with the energy centers within us. In this video, we'll introduce you to the concept of affirmations, which are worded to positively impact the 7 main chakras and our overall well-being. I am safe and secure in the world. I have a strong foundation for success and growth in my journey. I trust in the abundance of the universe. I release fear and trust that my consistent effort, dedication, and willingness to rest will lead to fruitful results. I embrace my sexuality and sensuality, honoring and celebrating my divine source of strength and empowerment. I am a creative and passionate individual, infusing my work with innovative ideas, and genuine enthusiasm drives my success. I establish healthy boundaries that honor my needs and well-being. I allow myself to experience joy and emotional balance. I am confident and empowered, embracing my personal power to overcome obstacles and achieve greatness. I boldly assert myself and my ideas, knowing that my voice and contributions matter in the world. I fully deserve and welcome success and abundance in all areas of my life. I recognize my worth and attract love, acceptance, and respect into my world. I am open to giving and receiving love, creating harmonious connections, fostering meaningful networks, and nurturing relationships in all areas of my life. I release the weight of resentment and forgive myself and others. I am deeply connected to this infinite source of love within me. My passionate nature and compassionate, understanding heart bring healing to myself and those around me. I approach others with compassion and understanding, creating a supportive and harmonious environment. I express my truth with clarity and confidence. I am a good listener and an effective communicator, valuing the input and perspectives of those around me. My words carry wisdom and kindness, creating a positive impact on others. I know that my voice matters, and I create a space where my thoughts and opinions are heard, respected, and valued. I trust my intuition and inner wisdom, guiding me towards clarity and purpose. I am open to seeing clearly the path that leads to my highest potential. I am attuned to the abundance and blessings that surround me. I feel seen as I am witnessing the beauty that I am and that is in every moment. I am deeply connected to my higher self and the universal consciousness, tapping into profound wisdom. I am divinely connected, channeling the powerful energy, inspiration, and strength that flows through me. I recognize that I am one with all that is, embracing the interconnectedness of life, its beauty and contradictions, to fill in the greater purpose of my existence. I am open to receiving divine wisdom and inspiration, allowing it to guide my decisions and actions. I understand that I function at my highest potential when I rest and work in accordance with my natural flow. Chakras are the vital energy centers in our body. They play a crucial role in maintaining balance and harmony in our lives. Each chakra corresponds to specific qualities and areas of our being. By incorporating affirmations that align with these chakras, we can activate and enhance their energy, promoting personal growth and well-being. Support this community by subscribing to the channel and activating the notification bell to stay updated with every new video release.